Here we have this kind of cold, really shiny, beautiful day. I'm gonna show you our real pond. It's our real pond. It's kind of out of service right now. And then let's go for some rocks if we can find them. Vamos a ver. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna start placing some rocks.
Lava rock.
That's a lava rock. We leave that for later.
Leave this for later?
We got a lot of this type of rock, which are more, and these are the lava rocks. See how they have a lot of pores? So bacteria goes inside those pores and they live better there. Okay, we're gonna leave those for last because we have to break them in smaller pieces. Okay, so let's start by covering all of these ugly things and putting some. Don't put it like that because it's gonna fall. Let's put it like that. Okay. Now do these. Let's keep putting some of these. Okay. This one is a beautiful rock. Putting it here.
This one can stand alone.
Very nice rock. We can put it somewhere here. Corner. Oh. What do you think about that, eh? Put some, let's say, we have to be careful, so they have to be placed in a nice position so they don't fall on top of the fridge.
Oh, would you?
Okay,
So, what's next?
what's next? Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Put some stones around. And this nice, interesting one.
No.
Those small ones go inside. Okay, then you can put it inside. Daniel, here, you can put them inside there.
Well,
Okay, good, good.
this looks like it goes here. What?
That's flat one here.
Do they go in here?
The small ones, yeah. Small ones go there.
I
Oh,
thought.
look at this rock. That's amazing. It's like half black and half some gray or something.
That's
Some
just if you put water in it.
It's gonna look amazing.
So, let's, what's next?
Wow, perfect.
So,
Perfect.
this looks next.
Put this one in here.
This one. That. It is awesome.
That's an interesting pond. Look at this rock. That's amazing. Where can we put that? Here. Let's put it right there. Let's put this rock here, okay then?
There are too many rocks.
There's too many rocks and there's too many Legos. And that is good. It's better to have more than less. Hey, look at this. Look at this rock.
Plans,
Amazing.
plans.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I like it. We can do that too. Okay. What do you think, David? So now we have to find those small ones and put them inside.
Change.
It's an interesting one too. Let's put it somewhere here. I will start putting the lava rock. So the lava rock.
Lava rock.
Lava rock.
Oh.
I have to break them in smaller pieces of these.
Treasure. Oh. Lava rock.
So I'm gonna put some here, like this. And this one's like that.
Ta-da!
Okay, put it there. Good.
So,
But we can still break them.
yes. This is not letting me see. This is not letting me.
Lava rocks, you can probably find them in the marketplace or in the pet store. Okay, my friends, and here we are back to the pond. Now today we got our little this is a little USB pump. You can order on Amazon, and this is what we're gonna be trying today. We added a couple plants, and let's see how it goes with the water and pump. Let's put some water in it.
Oh, wow. And
Let's add some more. Some more water.
needs more water. And then we could put the pond. The Amazon.
I think we can still add a little bit more.
Now we could put the pond.
Okay, that's good enough, I think.
Yes.
Now
this
let's try the little pump. Okay, let's do it this way then. Let's take these ropes out of here. Let's put the little pump like this. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Peggy.
Let's use this plant.
We did.
And
Peggy.
let's put the hose right here.
We did.
Right here.
So,
Okay.
friends, this is not too easy, but
We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done.
it's almost done.
Put a couple bigger stones here just to hold the hose.
Now, the two officers go to the rock. Don't fall. Source. Or then you're going to be in here. Whoop.
Uh-oh, I think we have a leak somewhere.
can see your water.
Oh, it's because we put stones and the water level went up. That's why we have a little leak. What if we take this leg out of here? Okay.
Let's go.
This leg out of here. Okay. Let's put this big stone right here. Okay, let's turn the pump on and see how the water flows. Is it working, David? Huh?
That's working.
It's working.
Now the water.
Oh, we have a leak. We have to clean it. Quick. We don't have a leak. We have an overflow because we put bigger stones inside, and then they're taking. The water level went up. Okay. And here we have. Now you can see how it works. Pump is taking the water from the middle of the pond and it's bringing it right to the top. Top comes down. It goes through the buck filter, which is gonna have some plants now. And that's it. So let's add some plants. So here we have some water lettuce. I'm gonna put let's put one right here. Okay, move this one, baby. Have some water lettuce here. Let's put it here. It's gonna do fine. It's gonna be good. Another one. Let's put another one. Where? Where should we put this one? Here? Should do fine. Should be good. Let's add another one. Right here. Right here, why not? Let's put another one here. Right here. And I had some other plants. I had this other plant too, but I don't know if it's gonna survive because goldfish, they eat everything. Let's put it right here and see how it goes. Okay, here you can see the water. It's continuously flowing. Now let's add some fish.